Dr. Anu Mehta started her EFT and MR journey with Karl Dawson in 2008, who is today the Director of Training for the EFT and Matrix Reimprinting Academy. Karl Dawson helped the wounded 40-year-old Anu Mehta heal the wounds of abuse she faced in her early childhood. In the first workshop on EFT and MR, she experienced that the images of her earlier trauma and abuse began clouding her mind. Interestingly for her, she was able to release and express all the suppressed emotions within her, which helped her connect with her lost soul with love and light. She could now deal better with herself and the anger within her. She has today healed and empowered many other children like her, and in this journey, she has also healed herself. Dr. Anu Mehta today is India's first master trainer in EFT and Matrix Reimprinting under EFTMRA. This was not possible without Karl Dawson and her own experience and journey with EFT and MR.